Welcome to Keystone video number 7. This is about scatter plots and slope. And these are the two constructed response questions for Module 2. Question 13. Javier has a website on which he posts photos and videos. The day he started the website, he posted 12 photos and no videos. For each day after he started the website, he posts 4 new photos and 1 new video. A. Complete the table below to show the total number of photos and the total number of videos that are on the website based on the number of days since Javier started the website. So for the photos, let's focus on the photos first. He posts 4 new photos each day. So he started with 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 gives us 20. And 20 plus 4 gives us 24. On the video side, 1 new video per day, so we just count up 0, 1, 2, and 3. That shouldn't have been too hard. B, write the rate of change in total number of photos on the website each day since Javier started the website. So the rate of change is photos per day. So he posts 4 photos each day. So that's our rate of change, also known as slope. So make sure you remember that. Rate of change, slope. Write a linear equation to show the relationship between the total number of videos, now we've switched over to videos, on the website and the number of days since Javier started the website. So the number of videos is 1 video per day, and he started with 0. So you could also just do V equals X. Make sure that you use the variables that are specified in the question. Shouldn't have been too hard there. Draw a line on the coordinate grid to show the relationship between the combined number of photos and videos on the website and the number of days since Javier started on the website. So number of photos and videos combined. So let's just pull a couple of numbers from our table. So at day 0, the total is 12. At day 1, 17. At day 2, 22. And day 3, 27. So make sure you read the question carefully. This one said combined photos and videos. So those are our points. So 0, 12. Okay. So 0, 12. And then we have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 17. 2, 22. And 3, 27. So those are our points that we want to make sure that we plot. So 0, 12, 1, 17, 2, 22, and 3, 27. And then it said draw a line. So this is the line that I would draw. Make sure you read carefully before you plot anything. Okay? So combined was the key here. We wanted to combine the photos and the videos. Okay? Question 14. Points J and K lie on the same line as shown in the coordinate plane below. So what is the slope of the line passing through J and K? Show or explain your work. You can find slope, remember, in a couple of different ways. One is to subtract our points. So remember change in Y over change in X. So we can do 5 minus 3.5. Those are our Y values. And 6 minus 3. So 5 minus 3.5 is 1.5. 6 minus 3 is 3. We don't like fractions in our slope, so I'm going to multiply both of these by 2. So 3 over 6, which is 1/2. So that's our slope. Another way to do it is to find some nice points and do your box counting. So if we do that, you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so in this case, when I box count, I go up 1 box and I go right 2, which is the same as 1/2. So that's the same slope. So you can either calculate your points, calculate your slope the way I just did, or you can box count it. Remember though, read the directions, because in this case, it says show or explain all your work. Okay, so make sure you show or you explain all your work. Okay, part B says write the equation of the line passing through points J and K. Show or explain all your work. We already know that the slope is 1/2. We can also look at our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is the point 0, 2. So we can use that information and we can write an equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, or y equals 1/2 x plus 2. Okay? It doesn't say what form of an equation it wants, so you can do this in point slope form or standard form if you're feeling really fancy. But it does, again, say show or explain all your work. So you want to explain enough. So slope, you could say something is calculated in A, and for your y-intercept, you can say where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so that might be enough to at least get you some points there. Okay, make sure that you follow the directions carefully. And the last one, points L and M are added to the coordinate plane. The slope of line JK is equal to the slope of line LM. So that's like really important. Equal to the slope. So what do we know about lines that have equal slopes? And it says describe 2 ways the lines could be related. So hopefully you figured out that for the first one, the 2 lines could be parallel. Okay, so it could be parallel because you remember that parallel lines never touch and they do have the same slope. The other way these 2 lines could be related is that they could be what we call collinear, and I don't expect you to know that word. That's a geometry word. Collinear means that they are parts of the same line. Okay, so if you don't remember collinear, that's okay. Just remember that if they have the same slope, these could also be parts of the same line. Okay, remember to study up on your geometry and your slope for this part of the test.